Hello again, it's Noob, and well, this is just a midweek bonus video, just looking at some things that come through to my PO box recently, which I'm really grateful for. So, well, first up, because it was the first thing that arrived, is this really awesome camo American lock here, and this is Series SL10. I had one of these actually, but I gave it away to my friend Pete a long time ago now, and whilst I don't regret giving it to him because he collected American locks at the time, the fact is that I always wanted one for myself. So this is a really awesome gift from SM Locks, and I will leave a link to SM Locks' YouTube channel below. Very cool, and even better, look at that bitting. Isn't that great? I'll pick this on, well, one of these on my channel before, but I might do a bonus pick at the end of the video, just because, why not? I mean, we are a lockpicking channel after all. He says using the royal we, which is a bit weird. Anyway, and check this out. This came through the post so quickly after, so this is from the crappy lockpicker. And I have to say, the crappy lockpicker, you know, I'm still a lock noob after having a channel for about 5 years, so you'll probably fall into the same trap as I am. But I love your sticker. That's really awesome. And again, I'll leave a link to the crappy lockpicker's channel. And what's really cool is that a long time ago, Foxy over at Red Cat Imaging, who I don't think does lockpicking videos anymore, which is a shame because I loved his content. He made me a front follower. Which is one of these in the I think they're like 12.5mm, and that's for standard Eurocylinder style profiles, and it still works, and it's brilliant. But I've always wanted a spare, but also in a recent video, I think the crappy lockpicker saw me struggling with as an Omec cylinder, which was just the wrong size and couldn't be back followed due to just the way it was made. But now I've got two different smaller sizes of front follower as well in a custom block, which is just awesome. So no excuses for not gutting a lock anymore, lock noob. I have now referred to myself in the third person. I'm on a roll, right? And last but certainly not least is from a subscriber, and I'm going to get the pronunciation wrong, but it's either Rera or Rera or something else altogether. But again, a really kind gift, so I really appreciate this. But I haven't opened this one. Had to open the other ones because I wasn't actually expecting them, or didn't know who they're from. So I was like, well, better check what's in this first before I stick this on a video. But so let's have a look at this now. I've got a terrible habit of destroying things by accident when I open them up with this type of box cutter, but I'm going to try my hardest to just slither through this. if it takes you too long, maybe I'll do the end here. That might be, there's probably a lot of you saying, why aren't you doing the end? And you're probably right. Okay, if it takes too long, then I will cut away and come back. Oh, okay, so whatever it is, it's in a plastic box. So I'm less likely to destroy whatever is in it by using this, but I still don't want to scratch the box, just in case it's an integral part of whatever it is. I need to change the blade on that, don't I? I want to see if I can just sort of slide this out. Yeah, I think I can. Can I do it? It's like squeezing world's biggest tube of toothpaste. Come on. Okay, well actually, a pretty good way of packaging it. That's not the kind of box that normally these little padlocks come in. Okay, what lock is it? It is a... Ooh, do you know what? It's cool. It's a brand that I've not ever picked before. This is an ARC, an ARC lock. Never heard of it. Can't tell much what's going on with this one. 5 pins, anti-snap. Doesn't appear to have any British standard marking on it. Not that that means a lot in terms of, but it gives you a clue as to what it might have inside. Yeah, very, very cool. All right, well, thank you very, very, very much to everybody. So thank you to Rera. Thank you to SM Locks, and of course thank you to the crappy Lockpicker. I really appreciate it. You know, all these kind of things have really helped my channel, and I really, really appreciate the contributions. It's really awesome of you. I almost forgot actually that I promised you a bonus picking of this American lock with the camo. Such a cool lock, really love it. And let's have a go at this. So just going to turn it a little bit that way, a bit more comfortable for me. 18,000 Peterson gem, one of my favourite for this type of lock. I think it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinner. This one, 2. So so I'm on pin 3 now. Couple of clicks after that. Pin 1 now, little click. Nothing on 4, little click on 3 again. A few more clicks on 3. Nothing on 2. Click on 1. Another click on 1. Try and click 3, there we go. Time click on 2. Back to the back. That was a more positive click on pin 3 there, and pin 2, nice core movement there onto pin 5 now, which is binding. I can feel it binding, but won't set. There we go, little click. And oh, there we go, got an open. That was all on 5. Lovely. Let's do a very super quick gutting. I can't remember what this has. Ah, perfect. It's a Phillips head screwdriver I need. I was worried for 2 seconds that I'd need to try and find my hex keys, especially if they're imperial. Oh, there's the anti-bypass disc, which SM Locks did add, so that's cool. I'm just going to, that's fine. Where's my gut wrench? And the trick with this is to sort of trap that there and then push off, but catch it before it pings off. So make sure, there we go, that's the trick to it. And then do you know what, I wonder if I could do, can I use a front follower on this? Probably, but I haven't actually thought that through. And all my followers are actually in the box I'm using to keep my camera up straight on. So 2 seconds, I'll be right back. I honestly thought that I had everything I needed when I started gutting this, but clearly I didn't. I haven't thought it fully through, so sorry about that. All right, let's do that, bit of this. Try not to mess it up any more than I already have done. And there we go. Right, let's have a look on the inside of this. I love these American lock pins. They're always great fun, aren't they? It's got to be one of the most fun locks to pick, I would say. Oh, there are harder locks for sure, but more fun to pick than an American lock core? I'm not so sure. I'd really like to hear what your favourite locks to pick in the comments, actually. Would be really interested to know. So they're just classic American lock pins, which is nice, always nice. Let's grab some of these drivers. So we've got full serrated, spool, full serrated. Come here. No, I haven't missed one out. Okay, that's full serrated, and last but not least, in this little 5-pin core. There we go, full serrated, right. So there we go. Yep, all awesome. Was expecting to have at least another serrated spool in there, but pretty nice pins. Lovely American Lock serrated pins there. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, there you go. Right, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have a comment, leave a comment below. I'll read them all, reply to as many as I can. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, I really appreciate it because it really helps my channel. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.